Welcome student. In this video we are going to discuss some problem based on the algorithm we discussed earlier. Using maximum element algorithm, find the maximum of the list 1, 8, 12, 9, 12, 2, 14, 5, 10, 4. In the maximum algorithm, we said first initially we are going to assume the first value as the maximum, and then we will start from the second value to the nth value, last value, and we are going to compare the maximum value and the corresponding number, and then if maximum is smaller than the particular value, then we are going to make maximum or we are going to swap the value. This is what we suggested in the algorithm. Using this idea, we are going to find the solution. So here we are having two things. One is first I am going to make the assumption, and then I am going to make this loop. So for our convenience, I am going to take the steps. How many steps we have? And I am going to write the list. I am having 1, 8, 12, 9, 11, 2, 14, 5, 10, and finally 4. So we are having how many sets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 steps. In step 1, we are going to assume the maximum value as the first number. The step 1, we are going to assume the maximum value as the first number. So how the computer works, this is what I am going to write. I am going to take the I value here. For first there is no I value, correct? He said I value will start from 2 to n. So I am going to take the I values from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. For I value we are going to start from 2 to n. So I am going to start from 2 to n. What is the nth value? 10. So I am going to start from 2 to 10. Here is the list. Here this is going to compare. What it is going to compare? It is going to compare the maximum. Is it less than AI? Is maximum less than AI? This is what this is going to compare, and based on the truth value, it is going to find the maximum. This is going to assign the maximum value, isn't it? This is what we have stated in the algorithm. So in this step, on the first step, we are assuming there is no truth value or something, just we are assuming the maximum as the first number. What is the first number here? 1. When it comes to the step 2, it is going to check here the maximum value is 1. Is maximum value less than the second number? What is the second number here? 8. Isn't it? Now it is going to find the truth value for this. Is 1 less than 8? Yes, this is true. So when the answer is true, if maximum is less than AI, then when the value is true, we have suggested to change the maximum value into AI. So in this place, what is happening? The maximum value is changed to 8. What is the number here? 8. It is changed to 8. When it comes to the next number, here it is again going to check is 8 is less than, what is the corresponding number? 12. Is 8 less than the corresponding number 12? It is going to check the truth value. Again the truth value is, this is true. That means there is change. The number 8 will be replaced by 12. 12. 12 will become the maximum number. 12 will become the maximum number. Now it is going to check in the next step. 12. What is the number here? 9. Is 12 less than 9? It is going to check the value will be produced false. If it is false, it will be going to the next number. There is no change. So the final, the maximum will be considered again 12. There is no change. Here I am going to compare the next number. Is 12 less than the corresponding number 11? So the truth value is again false. There is no change in the maximum value. Isn't it? Whenever there is the truth, then the maximum value will be changed. Next, it is going to check the next one. 12, is it less than 2? It is going to find the truth value. Again, the truth value is false. This is not correct. So, the maximum will be 12. There is no change. It is going to check in the next one. Is 12 less than, what is the number here? 14. When the computer executes this statement, the truth value will be true. When the truth value is true, we are asking to replace the statement. So what will be the replace the statement? Number will be 14. Isn't it? The big number is 14. So the maximum number value will be assigned to 14. When it comes to the next one, it is going to check 14. Is 14 is less than 5? The value will be written, the truth value will be false. So the answer will be 14. There is no change. Again, when it comes here on the ninth step, 14 is going to be compared with the corresponding number. What is the corresponding number? 10. Again, the truth value will be false. So the answer is again there is no change. This is 14. The last comparison, again it is going to check 14. Is going to compare, will be compared with the last number 4. Is 14 less than 4? The truth value is false. That means there is no change. Now, when you check in this, the maximum value is assigned to be 14. You can check here. What is the maximum value? 14 is the maximum value. The algorithm produces the same result. So I am going to write the maximum equal maximum equal 14. This is how the computer works, and this is with respect to the algorithm. This is how the system works with respect to the algorithm. Here we are having the algorithm. Based on the algorithm, we have produced the output. We are having the numbers, list of numbers 1, 8, 12 and so on. So for our comfortability, I am going to make the list in the column wise. And as per the rule, as per the algorithm, the first number we are assuming as the maximum. So I am not making any changes. I am assuming as it is. From starting from step 2 to the last step, here the last step is 10. We are going to compare the maximum value with the list value. So here the list value is 8. I am going to check is 1 less than 8. If the value is true, then we are asking to replace the maximum number. So when the value is true, the maximum will be replaced. We are going to keep continuing this idea for all the 10 numbers. The next one, 8 is compared, 12 is compared. If the value is false, there is no change. This is what we have recommended, so the value will not be changed. Wherever the value is false, the value will not be changed. So this is how we are going to use the algorithm in mathematical evaluation. Understand the idea now? We will continue the next algorithm in the next video.